here at Rise and Shine, just 15 minutes off the strip west, and I had to come to this place again and show you guys because it's one of the best breakfasts I've had here. Hey guys, so I got the ribeye, steak, eggs, and hash browns. So good. Also, I got the half order of the crunchy French toast. Oh my god, it is really crunchy. And it doesn't get soggy. It's so good, you guys. That's a must to eat. Sorry guys, I should have had this ready. You're super nice here. They all wear pajamas. So amazing. Just like I imagined it. The eggs are perfect. I like to mix my eggs up with my hash browns. So good, guys. Okay, let me try the French toast because it's a must, guys. It's a must. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't like it. I like to eat these at the last. It's like my sweet. Oh my god, it's like a honey oat taste, but it's crunchy. It's like it's deep fried French toast. So amazing. It's like a bomb went off in my mouth. I gotta eat this, guys. I'm here at Viva Las Arepas. You know I love arepas, so I'm gonna take you on this journey with me. The shredded beef and chicken with the plantain and cheese, so it's a little bit different than the one I did in Colorado. It has the mixture. And then they give you the salsa, so you don't have to put it on, they don't put it on for you. And it's like a green kind, and then they have a different darker green one. And I love chili all the way around, so I'm going to put it all in there. Oh, I'm going to eat paper. Oh my god. Chicken is so good. The beef gives it that texture. That mixing spices. The chili is so spicy. I love it. Oh my god, guys, I'm just gonna finish this off, and the plantain is sweet. So thank you. Hey guys, it's Olivia here. I'm in Vegas. I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm here at New York at Gonzalez Y Gonzalez, and we just ordered the guacamole fresco, and it's literally, they made it in front of me. Fresh avocados, onions, cilantro, limes. We got some chips, as well as strawberry margarita, as well as we did order a berry margarita, frozen. I'm gonna try both of them. Strawberry, simple, taste alcohol. With the berry, let's try that. Ooh. Very blended. It's like kind of like a yogurty. Alright, I gotta try this guac. It's been calling me. Ah! Oh my god, it's so wet. It's fresh lemon juice. You can just taste it. With the cilantro makes it. And the guac. The avocados mixed. I don't remember seeing jalapenos, but it has this spicy to it, which is perfect. I love spicy food. Alright guys, so I got the fajita burrito, and it has roasted peppers, onions, steak, and green chili on top with guac. And I got this green because they said it was spicier, and I like spicy food. Let's try it. And of course cheese. Can't have a burrito without cheese. And it has rice. My mistake. The meat's pretty good. It's not spicy that I'm used to, but it has a good flavor to it, a good spicy flavor. Overall, it's good, fast, Mexican food in New York, New York. Alright guys, so this is the second plate we ordered. It's not just mine, so we got the carnitas plate, and it comes carnitas, green chili with guacamole, rice, and beans. Let's try it. And again, it's green for a little spice because we like spice. Meat's tender, great spice to it. It doesn't taste just like meat. Let's try the beans. Beans are okay. I'm not a big fan of beans. The rice, I like my rice soaking with tomato sauce. It's okay. It's, again, in New York, and it's fast. Not bad though. I'll eat it. I'm starving. Dessert at Lucy's Waffle and Ice Cream. It's 10 minutes west off of the Strip. Let's try it. So I got a half a waffle with strawberry cheesecake as well as cinnamon toast crunch toppings with some whipped cream. Let's try it out. I'm just gonna try it. Oh, the waffle is nice. Oh my god. Strawberry. It's so good. It tastes like cheesecake. The waffle is like, it has like the sweetest tang to it. It might be the strawberry topping on it. Oh my god, guys, this is pretty bomb. Oh, it goes cinnamon. There's cinnamon inside of it. It's perfect. It's not soggy or anything. Perfect. I'm gonna finish this off. Guys, thank you so much for coming along